the best pumpkin available for my jack-o'-lantern. That's the one I want.
You lose, Thomas. It's my pumpkin now.
Hey!
Come back, you stupid diesel. Where is that oily bastard?
Looking for someone. You want fruit? Have this. Ha 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 ha. You can never get me now.
You know, this actually doesn't taste that bad.
Now that Thomas has been left there with his watermelon, I might as well go ahead and get this checked out.
Oh yeah, that won't be your pumpkin any longer after I scare you so. This shall teach Diesel to never steal anyone's Halloween pumpkin.
Hello, Diesel. It is I, the Grim Devil. I heard about you stealing Thomas's pumpkin recently.
How did you find out about this? You can't stop me from stealing this.
Did you not know that it is a sin to steal pumpkins, and if you steal pumpkins from someone else, the Grim Devil will come after you?
Wait, what?
If I catch you, I will pull you down to hell where you will burn for the rest of your life, and no one will know where you went.
No 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 no.
Never steal pumpkins again, or you will never see the light of day again.
I did it! I did it! I did it!
I love that face Diesel made when you scarred his soul.
You saw everything.
How did you pull it off?
I scared Diesel with a Grim Reaper costume I found and a devil mask and pair of wings to be the Grim Devil.
Show me the costume. I wanna see how it looks like.
Well, it's gonna scare your soul too, but okay, hold my pumpkin first. Do you like it? Too much of a costume, huh?